Instagram just revealed a new feature called TikTok, and if you jump on it early, it's gonna be a really great and easy opportunity to get tons of views, exposure, followers, and income from your profile. Wait, they just copied the app, not the name. So basically, it's called the Instagram Reels, although they have just copied and pasted the code. Okay, so jokes aside, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitish, and today in this video I'm gonna tell you about how to use Instagram Reels and how to go viral with Instagram Reels and start getting views, followers, exposure, and how to start monetize with your Instagram Reels. So make sure you stick until the end of the video, and if you are already using Instagram Reels, then drop a like button down below and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram updates and hacks. So let's just dive in. So firstly, what's actually happening with this TikTok and Instagram battle? So recently, after TikTok ban in India, then in US, Instagram decided to launch TikTok like app feature so that TikTok users can use Instagram Reels to get TikTok audience on Instagram platform. So what's this actually means to you? How can this be helpful to you to grow on Instagram using Instagram Reels for the first few months to grow on Instagram? Using Instagram Reels for first few months can be really helpful to you because Instagram Reel is just a new feature on Instagram, and your reels on Instagram can really help you to get more and more views and engagement. That means you can easily monetize your content on Instagram as compared to TikTok. Instagram is really simple and easy platform to monetize your content by paid promotion, IGTV monetization, and the Instagram Reel monetization that is just coming up in few months. Now moving on to the more educational side of this video, how do you get tons of reach using Reels? And that comes down to the two words: watch time. If you make content on Instagram, whether it be reels, whether it be videos that get great watch time, and if people just love your content and they just keep watching it for longer time, then Instagram will push it to more and more people as it keeps people on this platform for longer, and therefore Instagram will show more ads onto your Instagram post so that you can make more and more profit on Instagram in future. So how will you get more views on Instagram and a good amount of followers from Instagram Reels? As we all know that on YouTube, the hook of the video is the most important part of the video. Therefore, this goes same with Instagram Reel also. If you are making a video whose first 2-3 seconds are gaining the attention, then you will get more and more reach and followers because Instagram will know that your content is more engaging than others, and your video may get viral on Instagram Reel. And the other thing you need to understand is that a lot of people use Instagram without the sound on because they might be at school, they might be at work, they might be at public transport, they might be just going for a walk, or they can be at home also, but they don't want the sound to be turned on, which means this is especially for those who create educational videos, or you might be a comedian, you might be an entertainer, any of that sort of stuff, your chances. And if you are putting subtitles or text in your videos, then your video may reach out to more and more people even if the sound is turned off. And if your video is engaging, then user might turn up the volume to just see the video, and this may help you to get more and more views, reach, engagement, and even followers. So first, hook the people in just few seconds of the video, and second, add subtitle or text. What else do we need to get viral on Instagram? Since this feature is so new and so few people are using it right now, and if you are creating a video with some exciting thing, and with this, if you are creating a good audio and video quality video, then there are just chances that you may get viral on Instagram Reels in just few months. As I have mentioned earlier in this video, the really cool thing about this feature is that after TikTok ban, now Instagram is helping new users to boost their content on Instagram, and soon Instagram will allow you to monetize your Instagram Reel videos, and then you can even get more and more followers and likes on Instagram. So get on Instagram Reels right now. And now for those who don't know how to use Instagram Reels, so I'll just switch over to my phone screen. So first of all, make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. And then just go to your Instagram app and go to your story, and here at the bottom you will see three options: live, story, and reels. Then just tap on reels, and it's just similar to TikTok. If you have already used TikTok before, then you can easily use Instagram Reels so easily. So moving on, at the left you will see the options. The first one is the music, then you have the speed of the video, then we have effects, and here you can switch and add any effect that you want in your video. And at the last you have the timer. You can set the timer at how long you want the video, and the maximum limit of this video is 15 seconds. So just for example, I'll create a random Instagram reel video, and at the first I'll just select my music, that which song I want. And here you have Instagram music library, and you can just select any music or song that you want. And now after you have selected the song, you can just adjust the timeline and select the part of the music that you want by just scrolling horizontally. Click on done, and after that you can just swipe up and select any video that you have already recorded before, or you can just even tap and record the video from the reel button. After doing that, you can adjust the speed of the video 2x, 3x, whatever you want. Then you can just add effects to your video. After you have done this, just tap on the arrow key near the Instagram Reel shoot button. And here you can see that your Reel Instagram video is just created, and then click on the next arrow. You can write here the caption, whatever you want. You can even select the cover of the video, whichever cover you want. After doing all this, you can share your video on Reels, and it will ask you to share on feed also. And if you just unselect this option, your Instagram Reel videos will show in the Reel panel only. And if you just check this option, your video will show on your feeds and Instagram Reel panel as well. So guys, that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are new here, then let me tell you that I just upload tech videos, unboxing, smartphone reviews, tips and tricks here, and if you are into that, then make sure you subscribe down below. And if you haven't hit the like button yet, then I would really appreciate it if you click the like button down below. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My username is Technuto. Catch you guys in the next video. Take care.